Form 8868 is how a tax-exempt organization requests an automatic 6-month extension to file its annual return. Whether that is a Form 990, a 990EZ, or another exempt organization form. The extension is automatic, meaning the IRS does not require a reason. But you must file this form by the original due date. Today we will fill it out for Anna Baker Foundation. At the top, enter the organization's legal name, exactly as it appears on its formation documents. Then enter the Employer Identification Number, the 9-digit IRS tax ID for the organization. Enter the organization's mailing address, then city, state, and zip code on the next line. The form includes a lookup table listing all the return types and their 2-digit return codes. Find the code for the return you are extending and enter it in the box. Form 990 and 990EZ is return code 01. Anna Baker Foundation files a 990, so we enter 01. Part 2 is the automatic extension request. Check whether the extension is for a calendar year, meaning January 1st through December 31st, or a fiscal year. Most nonprofits file on a calendar year, so we check that box. An authorized officer of the organization must sign and date the form. File or postmark it by the original due date for your return, usually the 15th of the 5th month after your fiscal year ends. Remember, an extension gives you more time to file, not more time to pay any tax owed. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.